Cool. Cause I don't use skills too. I guess I'm cool. Man, I guess I'm not cool. I guess I'm not cool. Really wanted to be cool. I guess I'm not cool. I'm trying to be cool. I guess I'm not cool. Yeah, I think I'm not cool. Yes.
Just performed a song called Guess I'm Not Cool, a live song with a drummer, bass, electric guitar. The rock songs talk about street life, how things are today, a bit negative, so I'm trying to put a bit positive out there for the young ones, trying to get a good message out there for them. So we just did that. It's been a good event so far. Hopefully next year we'll be bigger and get big each year. And it's cool, yeah, the song's quite old, it's like 3 years old, and then we got together at a studio, and then we just did the songs, because I already had a backing track. It was like a backing track I got made, so I just took it into a live band, and then we messed with it and made it better, made it stronger. It deserved to be a powerful song with a band behind it, so that's what we did. So it's got on there, people like it, so hopefully it'll get through onto the kids out there, good message for them.
No, I